So I was watching Scoutcrafter's video about all the levels and everything, and again, and I thank you for the shout out, John, and that little level, that Garlock. I knew you'd appreciate that. I know you like the advertisement and everything, and I knew you would appreciate that more than I would. Absolutely. So you said how many levels? I'm lacking in the level department, man. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got the spirit level 5, 6, 7, 8 levels. I guess if you count these squares with the level on them, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 levels, so that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 levels. A dozen. Yeah, I'm lacking in the levels. So that makes me think. Let's talk wrenches. Sit tight. This is going to be fun. So I was going to call it a day on the videos. I know I put up a few of them with shorts and everything, and I hope y'all aren't sick of me, but I was just thinking, I'd use one of my wrenches earlier, and actually off camera. I had to just tighten something up that was loose, of course, so I grabbed a wrench, and I'm looking around the shop, and I'm like, well, we went over screwdrivers. We went over punches and chisels. So, how many wrenches do you guys have? Well, off camera, after a few of these Harvest Southern Tiers, which is a local brewery, I think it's Lakewood, New York, local microbrewery. And this is their autumn IPA, which is very good. And after a few of these, I started thinking, I looked around my shop, so I started counting them, and the wheels start turning and everything, and I counted 94 that I can see. And, I didn't count the vice grips or anything, because those are more like pliers to me, I guess. But I have 94 wrenches within reach, and this is part of the 94. It's all these little tiny baby ones. There's probably about 25 or 30 in here. And not to mention, y'all have seen my shop, so all the random toolboxes, and God knows how many wrenches are laying around inside the house, inside my truck. How many wrenches do you have? How many wrenches do you need? Well, apparently, I need at least 94. Shoot out a video. See how many wrenches we all have. That would be cool. We'll see you on the next one. Ccscraps and Restorations. Have a great weekend, y'all.